Hello, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the new online homework system for college students. As a professor, I also teach mathematics in college. The trouble we have is, first of all, for teacher, the trouble is always grading. So that's why we have those online homework system like my math lab, my stat lab, or like a web assign. Those are the main homework system we're using right now for most of courses like algebra, pre-calc, calculus. Our problem is at the end of semester, we can see that the student doing very well in the homework system. Like all of the homework, they probably get like 100%. But the problem is when they're taking the exam, they still have no idea like how to do the exam, and they still have a trouble, and that make us like really confused sometimes because we figure that if you can do your homework, then you should be able to do your exam. So, and then we realize the problem behind it is the homework system can give you some like similar examples. So student will just click on that similar examples and then just try to put different numbers in their homeworks and they get the answer. So that's a lose the point to learn how to solve a problems, how to solve a trouble. So in this case, and we learned there's a new system. The new system is called ELTA, and they are using a recommender system, which is pretty interesting. And I actually didn't really realize this is a recommender system. Like we use Spotify, YouTube, Amazon. We always use those, but we never realize it. And until I learned this course, and I start to realize what I'm using right now is a recommender system. So basically, is I want to show examples. Now, in this homework system, like for example, if they're doing graphing system of linear equations, so they can go in there. I'm just gonna do preview as a student, and then to draw the graph. Like for example, drawing the system of equations. Like if I have no idea how to draw it or I draw it wrong, then let's just say for example, if I submit it, now they'll tell me this is wrong and let me to try again. And of course, I can view answers right here, but let's just do submit and try again. And then they will show me the answer explanation, why this has happened, what's going on here. And as you can see here, this one is how many percentage you have done. Now, basically, if you did nothing, then that will be 0%. So, and as we continue, and let's just use instructor sheet because that's not what I want to show you. Really quick. Okay, so another graphing problems. All right, so because you didn't learn that problem, so that's why they keep giving you didn't answer that problem correct, so that's why they keep giving you the similar questions. All right, so let's just keep doing the submit and see where it's gonna direct us to, and then keep submit, continue. Okay, so they're kind of like if you are wrong with that question, they won't show you like they will show you again later, but they won't show you repeatedly. I think it because like student will get frustrated later. So let's just keep doing like other problems. All right, so just do instructor sheet. Well, one of the learning objective completed. So then the only thing we left probably is just the graphing linear system. Okay, so perfect. So we are right here, and after we submit it, again, try again, doesn't work. All right, and so they gave us the answer explanation. Okay, that's fine. And after that, right here, as you can see, because we struggle with the same question like 3 times, so when I do the continue, they won't show me the questions again. They will show me a 4 minutes, 5 minutes YouTube video. So they will show us this video right here, and then you can follow the same example and to see how you do this question. So this is like a learning, like the very adaptive homework system. So everybody has their own different homework, depends on how you learn this homework, and depends on like how good are you with this homework. All right, so after that, let's see, continue. And they gave us a question again. Okay, and now let's just say, for example, if I still don't get it, still get it wrong, and they show us again, but it's not the same video, they show us another video. All right, so after do that, this keep showing you again. Doesn't work. Okay, maybe do a video again. Okay, so another question. Doesn't work. All right, none of them working. All right, so sometimes when I do this preview, I also find that if you have trouble to drawing the linear system, they will also, oh, here we go. Yes, that's exactly what I want. So like if I'm still just struggling with the linear system, now they're showing us how to draw one linear function. So they figured that, oh, if you are really struggling with a linear system, then maybe you should go like one step back to do the linear function. So this is pretty cool. Well, let's do the instructor sheet then and submit. All right, so I guess you got this idea about this new homework system here. I think this is based on what we learned. I'm not too, I'm not too good at this recommender system yet because this is only our second week. But I feel like this is our content-based filtering. I think that's what they use. Let me just check my time. Yeah. This is what I think, because for the recommender based filtering, the algorithm they use is kind of like very adaptive. So they're using the user's behaviors in the past, and then they gave you the prediction, they feed you the prediction. So in this homework system here, is if you keep getting wrong, means you really struggle with this topic. So they will direct you, they will try to figure out where you got it wrong and why you got it wrong, and they try to direct you to the one step back and then keep getting one step back. So I think this is a pretty cool system, and also they definitely use the recommender system for it. So that's why I want to share with you with what I'm working right now, like what I'm working with. I also introduced this to students, and I see like they got a really pretty good progress for their exam. But the only problem for this type of system is like they have a lot of time consuming. Like if you don't get this question, you have to keep going back, keep doing the videos, watching the videos. So it will take students huge amount of time to study. But I think that's the learning curve. You got to study, you got to understand so that you can do the exam. So this is what I want to share. I think it's a pretty cool system, and I would like to learn more from this class, and maybe I can analyze this system a little bit more better. Thank you.